So we've found Renegade campers here in the corner. They've just started making these truck bed campers. They're boat builders, and I think they've only made a handful of them so far, but they do look very good. So yeah, as you'd expect, bed over the cab. I do like all these blue LEDs. Nice roof light here. And you've got kitchen area. They've actually got an oven, so they're a step ahead of us in our motorhome. And is there a fridge? There's certainly space where you could put a small camping fridge. I think that's probably what that space is for. And yeah, little wet room, toilet and shower. Fantastic. So what do you reckon, Chaz? You're going to get one of these to put on top of your Hilux?
Do you know, if our circumstances were different, I'd consider it, to be fair.
Yeah, I mean, it'd be perfect if you're on your own, or if you're sort of
or on your
just away for weekends and stuff.
That's exactly right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
and you could survive off grid for a little while as well, couldn't you? You've got toilet and shower. I
think it's great.
Yeah, fantastic.
And apparently, when you drive it, it's because of the weight of it and the way they distribute the weight. It's not an awkward drive. You know, there's no wallowing or anything. I mean, the proof of that will be in the test.
In the driving,
yeah. But I mean, I can't see there being a problem with it. I mean, it's a really well thought out thing.
And then you just get home, take it off the back of your truck, leave it in your garden or on your drive, and use your truck for work. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah. Or when you get where you're going, you just put the legs down and drive out from underneath it.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And then you've got your transport when you know.
Brilliant.